Hello guys and welcome to my channel Hacking Master, and today I'm here to give you information about how to hack Subway Sub Runner. Yes guys, it will be hacked. You can get coin. First of all, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit like button, or if you have any kind of issues then you can just comment down. Okay, I'm just gonna help you. And if you haven't like my Facebook page called Hacking Master, then you can just go and check it there. And okay, let's go. Okay, just you have to download this app. It is given in description down. You can just go and download it first. There will be no ad and anything. You just need to go there, one click, and just press download, then it will just be download. So guys, it is very much easy to do, easy to hack. And you can just look here, it says no. Then let's stop here, let's see the coin, how many. Whoa, look here how many coin we have. Uncountable coin and uncountable keys. Now let's buy something. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, I'll just buy anything like this. Okay, let's buy. You can just go and just you can play, just play. Like this, all kind of, you can just play. Nothing you have to do, you have to just go down and just you have to download it, and there will be no problem of doing this. You can use your power until what you have got. You can just press. You can just select anyone, like character, skateboard, anything you want, awards, anything you want. Okay, there is a simple method. You can just go down and just click in this description and just go and download. It will be so easy. Just download and install in your